If you're thinking about starting a lawn care business in 2026, don't just buy more and hope it works out. You need a plan, you're going to need some discipline, the right mindset, because business can change your life. But only if you treat it like a real business from day one. If you want to start a lawn care business, this video is going to be for you. No fantasy version, no social media version. I'm talking about the real version, in my experience. The version where you're hot, tired, doubting yourself, trying to build customers, trying to stay consistent, trying to make money, and trying to turn a more into a real business. And if you do it right, lawn care can absolutely change your life. But there are a few things you need to understand before you get started. Today, I'm going to give you 5 of them I believe every person starting a lawn care business needs in 2026. Just listen to me. If you're new here, this is Boneyard Lawn Service. On this channel, I'm going to talk about real business experience, real lessons, real mistakes, real growth. And in 2026, if you're trying to start a business and build something in lawn care, it's still one of the best businesses you can start with because the barrier of entry is low. People always need service, and you can build recurring income if you stay disciplined. But just because it's simple doesn't mean it's easy to scale. That's where most people mess up. So let's get into it. Pay yourself first. That's number 1. Out the gate, pay yourself first. And I'm not talking about going out and buying something for yourself every time money comes in. I'm talking about building the habit of taking your business serious. A lot of people start mowing. Every dollar that comes in goes right back out. Food, random spending, stuff they don't need, bad habits, impulse buys. Then at the end of the month, they say, I worked all month and I still got nothing to show for it. It's a dangerous cycle. When the money comes in, pay yourself first is a smart way. It might mean setting aside money for savings. It might mean setting aside your tax money. It might mean building an emergency fund. It might mean putting money back for equipment to upgrade. But the point is, don't let all your money disappear. If you don't learn how to control your money early, more customers won't fix that problem. Watch a good finance channel. It's going to be number 2 in my experience. Find a good finance channel to watch. A lot of lawn care guys, they know how to work. They know how to sweat. They know how to grind, but they never learn money, how it actually works and what matters, because making money and keeping money are 2 different skills. You need to start learning about things like budgeting, debt, savings, business reinvestment, credit, taxes, long-term thinking. Even if you only watch a little bit every week, that information adds up over time. Because the goal isn't just to stay busy, the goal is to build something that actually improves your life. You don't want to just work hard for 5 years and still be broke because everything you was taught, you don't know how to manage what you earn. So yes, lawn care, learn it, but also learn money. Number 3, get you 3 services, at least 3 services. This is big right here because too many people start lawn care and only think about mowing. Mowing is good, but mowing creates recurring revenue. Mowing can build your route, but if that's all you do, you're limiting yourself. You need at least 3 services you can offer. That could be mowing, landscaping, pressure washing, mowing, treatments, hardscape, mowing, leaf cleanup, snow removal. The point is, you need multiple ways to make money from the same customer base because every customer doesn't need the same thing all year round. And when mowing slows down, what do you have? When summer changes, what do you have? When the weather changes, what do you have? The more useful you are, the more valuable your business becomes. And no, that doesn't mean do everything at once. It means build it smart. Start with your main service and then add services that make sense in your area, your equipment, and your skill level. Number 4, be ready to commit 3 to 5 years. Be ready to commit 3 to 5 years. This is where people quit. They think because they started a business, they're supposed to blow up fast. They think because they posted a few videos, bought some equipment, printed some flyers, got a few customers, everything's gonna immediately happen. That's not real life. The business takes time. It takes time to build customers. It takes time to build trust. It takes time to learn pricing. It takes time to learn what customers to keep and what customers to avoid. It takes time to understand routes, expenses, efficiency, and consistency. You have to go into it knowing that this may take at least 3 to 5 years. Steady work to really turn it into something strong. The mindset alone will keep you surviving the hard days. Because you expect overnight success, you'll quit early. But when you understand it's a long-term game, you move different. You stop panicking, you stop comparing, you stop looking for shortcuts, and you start building something for real. And number 5, don't listen to people who say you can't. There will always be people with opinions, people who never built anything, people who never took a risk, people who just don't understand your vision at all, people who are uncomfortable seeing somebody around them trying to level up. And sometimes it won't even be a stranger. Sometimes it'll be the people close to you. That's why you have your belief. It just has to be stronger than their doubt. Because if you listen to everybody telling you what works and what won't work, you never give yourself enough time to see what actually could work. You have to protect your vision in the beginning. Stay humble, stay teachable. Don't let negative people talk you out of your future. If you know what you want, then keep going. If you know what you want, keep going. Man, this trimmer right here has become like one of my favorites. Echo 2620. See, this thing is already beat up. Man, it's become one of my favorites though. I just love the trim. It's a beast, man. This one. And also I end up getting this one right here, which is a 225. It's a smaller one, but I have really come to like these 2 trimmers right here, man. So if you want to start a lawn care business in 2026, 5 things. Pay yourself first. Watch a good finance channel and learn the money. Build 3 services. Commit to this for at least 3 to 5 years. And don't listen to people telling you can't do it. Because lawn care can be more than just cutting grass. So if you got value from this video, hit like, hit subscribe, drop a comment. If you're starting a business in 2026, best wishes. See you on the other side.